Have you turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why, sir?
Face this way. Okay, what's going on?
Nothing.
Police identify the woman seen here as 28-year-old Kayla Lena, who lifeguards reported after she allegedly caught grabbing a 12 and 13-year-old boy in the public pool.
Okay, let me take you over in my vehicle real quick, okay?
Come on, Grandma.
Yeah, we'll call in a second.
With Kayla tucked away in a patrol car, officers get a chance to talk to witnesses. Let's see what they have to say.
She came down right after me. She as he was going down, she grabbed his head and pulled it, and then tried to go down with him, but he got out, pulled it. She missed.
Officers also talk to the alleged victims of the crime and get their sides of the story in a redacted clip. But soon enough, officers discuss the situation.
So she grabbed their butts. She attempted to grab one of their heads and put it in her crotch earlier today.
He was saying that she was touching him.
Lewd or indecent proposal, that's the charge. He was saying what?
He said that she kept grabbing in the crotch.
Trying to
No, he said that she actually done it.
So look upon, touch, maul, or feel the body part, private parts of any child under 16 years of age in a rude, malicious manner by any accident to cover decency and morality. Okay.
So we got people that actually saw what was going on. So I'm just going to have them start on the statements. So.
Armed with new information, officers decide it's time to question Kayla.
So am I going to take it to jail?
We're going to take you over there and we're going to talk with you, okay? We'll give you a chance. It's a police department, okay? Do you have any belongings here?
No.
You don't have an ID?
They got stolen from me.
Today? When? Who do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, I'll be right with you in a second, okay?
Am I being arrested?
You're being detained right now, okay?
Am I going to be let go later?
It depends what we find out, okay? Because we'll take you back there and we'll talk to you, okay? Are we good to talk?
You talk here.
Oh, okay. What was going on inside the pool?
I don't know. I was just drowning, or I thought I was about to, and I grabbed that little boy, but I couldn't see underwater.
One time?
Yeah, and that was it.
Okay, well there's multiple people saying they've seen you.
Where'd you grab him?
Underneath the pool?
Okay. So you thought you were drowning, you grabbed the boy because you thought you were drowning.
Yeah.
Where on his body did you touch?
On this side right here, where your love handles are.
You heard that right. Kayla claims she thought she was drowning when she allegedly groped the two boys. Let's continue.
Have you ever talked to them before?
No.
Ran into them before? Nothing? You never come up here to the pool and they've been sitting here? Okay. Well, we have multiple people saying that you were touching the boys inappropriately.
No.
What would lead them to think that?
I don't know.
Any other incident possibly?
No. Unless they were jealous I wasn't their girlfriend or something.
Nothing going on. Well,
sure.
they're both young. They're both young. They were nothing when they were going up and down the slides, any of that. You were never behind them where it could have possibly led to a situation?
No.
Okay. All right, we'll be back to talk with you, okay?
My grandma should be on her way. I don't know where she's at.
What does she drive?
A gray Dodge truck.
A gray Dodge truck. Okay. Do you have any medical conditions? Any mental health issues, conditions?
I don't know.
You don't have any diagnoses or anything? Okay. Put your foot back in there. I'll get back with you in a minute, okay?
Am I going to be taken to jail?
I'll let you know, okay? Yeah. I'll let you know.
Officers talk to those witnesses again, who reveal this is not their first rodeo with the suspect.
Was she here yesterday as well?
Yes. Doing the same thing. Not really the same thing. It's she does stuff borderline weird, but it's not enough where you can figure out that people think she's being weird, so don't complain. So we can't really do anything about it. But it's enough for everybody here to know who she is every time she comes in.
Call her teddy bear.
Yeah. Why teddy bear?
Because she used to carry around a teddy bear, and she was she used to sit on the side of the wall and twerk in front of it at the same time, pretend it was a child. Yeah.
Soon enough, Kayla's grandma arrives and reveals some background info about the suspect.
Hey, sir, there's my grandma right there in that truck.
I will go talk to you. I'll go talk to your son. This is grandma. This is our grandma. Hello, ma'am. You Kyla or Kayla's grandma?
Yes.
Okay. Does she have any mental health diagnosis? What is that?
It's just she's on a rehab type thing that she really hasn't been diagnosed with anything, but she used to do drugs back 4 or 5 years ago.
Okay.
And she's been on behavioral health.
Okay. Has she ever gotten in trouble in the past?
Yes, she has. She's on probation right now.
She is?
5 years, but it's supposed to end next month.
Who's her probation officer?
Well, she hasn't been supervised in a while. She only was supervised the first and after probation, and she passed it.
Okay, gotcha.
What happened?
Okay, well, we got called up here. There's two young, they're probably 14-year-olds, saying that there was a lady up here that was touching them inappropriately and grabbing them and stuff like that.
Oh, no. No, she
Yeah.
never.
So we came up here and they identified them. We talked to many of the lifeguards and they said they witnessed the stuff happening.
Oh, no.
Okay. So y'all don't have a contact for probation or any of that?
No, she hasn't. She got through for the first year, and they just said she was going to be some supervisor.
What was she on probation for?
Just unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Oh, okay. 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 Well, we do have her in our vehicle right now. But she told us that you were on your way up here, so I just wanted to make contact.
When does this happen?
Within the last 20 or 30 minutes.
Officers continue talking to Kayla's grandma when she makes some, let's just say, interesting excuses for the suspect.
What's going to happen now?
Should be going to jail.
You're going to be charged. Touching on, inappropriately touching minors, doing lewd acts and stuff with minors, so definitely.
The thing is, it's not just the kids that say it, right? It's the adult lifeguards that started. They're also employees here. They cooperate. Multiple, not just
Well,
one.
why didn't they say something and make her
They've
leave
been-
and call me?
They've been telling her.
But whenever we got here, she was outside of the pool.
It's a felony. That's a very, very serious crime. It's a crime against children. We don't take this.
21, are you available for 1021? It's going to be the middle of the officer.
I know she called me and said she was ready to go, but I was running errands and I told her I was trying
She
to
said she was ready to go because she got confronted by lifeguards. That's why. This is just a charge. This isn't a conviction. Okay, she's gonna have to go to court, and we got multiple witnesses who said they saw this. Yeah, there's
with one particular person or
three separate lifeguards saw this with two other children saw this. So it's not like some kids telling fairy tales, doing kid stuff. This is a very serious.
I can't believe she did that. That's not like her to do that. I know she gets angry and
She's been running around calling kids like daddy and a whole bunch of other things. It's not like.
What? Then they should have stopped her not coming in if they had
Right.
problems with her.
Right, I understand that. I'm not saying that, but I guess it hasn't been to this extent
Right.
until today. Whenever they saw it, they called us.
Oh my goodness. She's never done this before, so I don't know where this is coming from.
Yeah.
Or else I would not have let her come here by herself.
Did you catch that? The officer reveals Kayla allegedly called the boys, quote, daddy during the incident. The two boys were later released to their parents after writing statements for police. Officers take Kayla to an interview room in the police station where they have more pressing questions for the 28-year-old.
So can you tell us kind of what happened at the pool?
We were just playing, and I don't know.
You and who were playing?
Me and those boys. We were just like playing around, and like sometimes he called me a but I didn't act like I didn't hear him, and then I just kind of took off and faded away from him. And then I don't know if he got like upset or mad at the other kid because I'm showing too much like respect. Like I wasn't their girlfriend at the time. I know I don't have a straight face, but like I don't know what's wrong. Like I know what's wrong.
Why do you think he called you?
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Was there anything that could have made him mad?
I don't know. I don't know. I was just going down the slide.
With him?
Yeah, with them. And that was it.
Were they in front of you, or did y'all go down together on the slide?
Yeah, it was just like being there.
Do what?
It was just like being there, and if you wanted to pay attention to them, you pay attention.
Have you played with them in the past?
No, I've never seen them.
So today's the first time you've ever seen them?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said you weren't going down the slide together or anything like that? Were y'all playing in the pool together, doing the lily pads or the basketball area? None of that?
No, they wanted me to play basketball with them earlier, but I didn't tell him anything, but it was like later off whenever he called me a bitch, but it was nothing.
Okay. Okay. How often do you go up to the water port?
In the summer?
Yeah, like do you go daily, weekly? Do you go a lot? You don't go very much? So probably, like, how often do you think?
Maybe like every weekend.
Every weekend? Okay. So when's the last time you were there?
Yesterday.
You were there yesterday? Were the boys there yesterday as well?
I think so.
So you did see them yesterday too? Okay. Did you talk to them at all yesterday or play with them or any of that? No. You can't remember or you didn't? Okay.
Yesterday, did the lifeguards ask you to keep your hands to yourself?
Yeah, I think so.
Why'd they ask you that?
For the same reason.
Which was?
I don't know. Like, leave people alone. I don't know.
So what were you doing when they asked you to leave or keep your hands to yourself?
Playing with somebody else.
Playing with somebody? Did they not want you playing with them or?
I don't know.
Okay.
When you say playing, what do you mean by playing? Describe that to us.
Like following them.
Were you touching them?
No.
A police report shows one of the young boys claimed Kayla went as far as asking if she could be his girlfriend. Officers continue questioning the 28-year-old.
Can you take us back through the incident where you said you thought you were drowning?
Oh, I was underneath the water. That's whenever we went down the slide together.
So you
did go together?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, where were you sitting and where were they sitting? Were they behind you? Were they in front of you?
No, we weren't going down all together. We were just going down one at a time.
So you were taking turns?
Yeah.
Okay, so who went down first?
I did.
You did, and you thought you were drowning and then they came?
Yeah, and I was just like grabbing them underneath the water or like trying to get up and come up for breath.
Okay, how deep is it there? Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay, so they were coming down behind you?
Mm-hmm. And I was just like afraid for them to come real fast and hit me or kick me, so I was ended up pushing the water, like splashing, like trying to hurry up and get up.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I was doing.
Okay.
Like I was afraid that they were gonna come and hit me in my back or like trying to hurry up and move.
Okay. And where did you said you were reaching and grabbing, where did you grab them at?
From their love handles, like whenever they were just running.
It was both of them?
Mm-mm.
Which one?
Just the tall boy, but that was yesterday.
Okay. So what happened today?
It was the same reason.
Same thing happened today?
I think, but I didn't mean to. Like, grab him. I don't know why he went to tell on me. Like, I guess he was just being a tattletale, you know?
Okay.
Because I didn't grab him or touch him or nothing.
Okay. So the same incident happened 2 days in a row. You thought you were drowning yesterday and today?
You know, I was just playing around, but I think the reason why he told me, because I wasn't playing basketball with him. Why he called me because I wasn't playing basketball with him.
Officers continue pressing Kayla, but she's sticking to her story.
Were they at the pool when you got there today?
Yeah.
They were. Okay. Can you think of any other incident that you possibly grabbed or you thought you were drowning or any of that?
Yeah.
So why would the lifeguards believe that you were grabbing the boys? Because that's what they said. They said they saw it. What would lead them to believe that? You know,
Favoritism, I don't know.
Well, it wasn't just one, it was multiple. There's multiple people that witnessed you possibly grabbing the boys inappropriately. You don't know any scenario that would lead them to believe that at all.
Mm-hmm.
When you say you don't go there very frequently, they know you there though, the lifeguards do. They said they know you. You used to take a teddy bear down there?
No.
That's not you?
No.
Okay. Maybe they got you confused.
Have you ever been in trouble at the pool before?
No.
Why were you outside when we did that? Did the lifeguards?
He told me that I had 20 minutes to sit out or it was about to get ready to close, and I was just like, okay, I'm going to get ready to leave. And he just said, okay, we'll leave. But I came to find out
Who was he?
The one that you were talking to.
The lifeguard?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then he told me, I come to find out that I got my bag stolen from me right then and there. And I was just standing outside waiting for my ride to come. Because I called my ride like 3 times before I guess y'all had showed up.
Moments later, Kayla is taken to another room where this time she has some questions for the officers.
How come I can't stay there?
Last first, right? Because we're charging you for the state of Oklahoma. Then anything that's a state charge has to go to Oklahoma County jail.
Are we municipal? So state charges go down to county. Have you ever been to county at all? Never.
I'm scared.
You're scared? You never been to Oklahoma County Jail? You have?
I'm set up.
And what?
I'm set up.
On the setup? What happened there?
It's got like, it's like a Supreme Court thing, but they came and got me for something else. But I'm scared of that.
How long were you there for?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Or 2 months. 2 weeks or 2 months.
Yeah.
I'm scared. Is it going to be a while?
I don't know. It's going to be up to how the state, if someone can bond you out, it'll be quicker before your court date.
But I might need to stay there until my court date.
If nobody bonds you out, you'll stay there until your court date.
Will I get out on my court date?
I don't know. That's going to be, I'm not a judge, so I can't do that.
Are you married, officer? Are you married?
Yep.
It's not long until Kayla is taken to the county jail, where we rejoin the suspect.
So will I need bail as soon as I walk in?
Do I?
Will I need bail as soon as I walk in?
So they'll tell you how much your the bond is, and whenever you make a phone call, you can tell them to bond you. And if they can make it up here and pay that, you can be bonded out. But if they cannot, then you stay till your court date and then see what the arrangements are for that. Okay.
Once inside, Kayla is fingerprinted before a few more pressing questions.
All right, I need your right index finger on the right, yes. Now your left. Okay. Do you have a job, ma'am? Do you have children? Highest level of education? What was it?
What's the highest level of education you've had?
I graduated.
High school?
Are you gang affiliated?
Yeah.
Which one?
Southside Local.
Kayla was booked for 2 counts of lewd or indecent acts with a child under 16. At last check, her case remains open.